Ipsy is canceled, honey, okay? We all about the BOXYCHARM. Let's get into this video. Hey YouTube, it's your girl ChayyaBee coming with, of course, another video. And today's video is going to be, of course, by the title, on BOXYCHARM. I came across BOXYCHARM because I don't know why. It popped up on my Instagram. And I think one of my homegirls, she had BOXYCHARM and she was talking about it. But you know, people talk about stuff, you're like, yeah, whatever. But obviously I decided to try it, and here I am 3 or 4 months later, and I can tell you guys that BOXYCHARM is the way to go. Now, I have been with BOXYCHARM for like 3 months. This sounds like I'm like with a boyfriend or something, but I have been faithful to BOXYCHARM. I'm really excited about the things that they sent me. Like, I so far loved every single thing. So if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is like a subscription. It's a subscription that you pay, I believe it's $21.99, that you pay every month, and you can get 5 full-size products. And I believe I think quarterly, if you upgrade, I think you get charged $49.99. So, but you don't have to do that. Me, I'm like, no, I don't know. But I'm kind of thinking about doing it because of the March BOXYLUX, BOXYLUX. The March BOXYLUX, for those that have that upgrade subscription, they're getting 10 full-size items. And those items that I've seen from the spoiler alerts are definitely something I need to get into. Okay. So the reason why I switched from Ipsy to BOXYCHARM, which was like a year break from Ipsy, is just that Ipsy was sending me like travel size shit. Like, what the fuck? Like, I don't care. I was getting like cute little pencils here and there, but I was getting like literally like travel size. And what made me want to do this video is because one of the girls that I subscribe to here on YouTube, she did an Ipsy, Allure Beauty, and a BOXYCHARM haul, and she showed something that I had just got in my BOXYCHARM, and what she had in her Ipsy bag was a travel size item. I was like, so that gave me the motivation to go ahead and just do this video out here, because you guys, like, y'all need to get on this BOXYCHARM like I'm telling y'all, get on it. Get on the BOXYCHARM, okay? So if you haven't seen what BOXYCHARM looks like, it comes in this black box right here. It was cuter than this, y'all, I promise, but I didn't ran through this, okay? What I really like about BOXYCHARM is that it comes like a display, like you would see like in the stores, like a Macy's or a Sephora. It comes like a display. So when you open the box, it comes like this with a theme. So their theme was called the Afterglow for February, and then it comes with the 5 products. So I got the Clean Bee by Pharmacy, the Ultra Gentle Cleaning Facial Cleanser, excuse me. That full size, the Trestique lipstick, and it has a primer on the inside, my favorite. Why they come with Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara? Sis. I also got the No Problem primer, full motherfucking size. And that's what I'm talking about. The girl that I follow here on I can't think of her name. I'll be sure to put her video below. She did, like I said, the Ipsy and the Allure Beauty and the BOXYCHARM haul all together, and she had a travel size of this in her Ipsy, and I was like, I'm so glad I switched, because I felt like I was getting ripped off. I have the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. So you get all these, like all this. And they give you this, which tells you all the prices of each item. So all this, I believe, totaled up to about $118, something like that. But yes, like, this is a good investment, and I'm not just telling you because I got February's right here. I have January and December, so hold on. So I believe this was last month. I was really excited about this. This was the Boxy and Chill. I got, y'all, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette, which is already at the box pretty much. This is it right here, and it's just beautiful eyeshadow by Tarte. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, make that switch. I also got the Aphora Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick Havana Nights. I also got these Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So I got 2 of these. And I feel like I'm missing something because I do use their stuff a lot. Oh, I got the $1 Billion Brows. It's actually in my makeup bag right now, so that's not here with me. But all this, y'all, like, I'm not telling. hold on for the next one. Alright, y'all, so here's the other box. I am missing 2 things out of this one because I do use the items that it came with. But y'all, it came with this is the Sea Sun, and it came with the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, which I actually use. The lip liner is not in here. Pretty Vulgar Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, the activated charcoal mask, and a palette. So this is the activated charcoal mask that I got. I haven't used this one yet. The setting powder by Pretty Vulgar. Let's see if y'all can focus. Pretty Vulgar right there. I got this palette, which I have not used yet because I'm not really an eyeshadow person. But I got this palette as well. But y'all, these boxes are really amazing. So I felt like I really needed to come on here and tell you, like, believe the fucking hype, okay, sis? Because these boxes are amazing and they're just great. And I'm really excited that I switched from Ipsy to BOXYCHARM, like I said, because I felt like I was really wasting my money with Ipsy. And with Ipsy, they're kind of cute because they come like in the little purses. I believe their purses have like gotten a little bigger since I've had them last year, but it wasn't worth it, sis. Y'all, just try it out for your girl, okay? Because this was a good investment, and I don't really like going to shop for makeup. Like, the only thing I really shop for is just my eyebrow pencil. You gotta make sure these eyebrows is on fleek, okay? That's the only thing I really shop for. Other than that, I'm like a hair person, so I'm not really going and looking for makeup. But this, if you're a beginner or you just don't like shopping for makeup, period, BOXYCHARM is your girl. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is not sponsored. I'm gonna go ahead and put that out there. I'm just telling y'all what your girl like, because she's sticking with BOXYCHARM. So you might want to think about Ipsy. And if y'all have any other subscriptions that y'all actually like subscribe to, like, comment down below. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you already know what to do. Go ahead and comment below. I'll be sure to put all of the BOXYCHARM, Instagram, all that stuff in the description bar. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure you are, of course, tagging that bell. Okay, Belle's my maiden name, so y'all gotta just go ahead and tag it because it already belongs to me. Just go ahead and tag the bell so you know when my next upload will be. All right, that's it. Bye.